Hey guys, it's Jackie. I'm looking pretty dramatic right now because this is a nice New Year's Eve eye look. Sorry, I'm like hyper. Yeah, okay, before we get into this craziness, I would like to give a little shout out to this boy. His YouTube name is Nate Manes Beauty. It is linked all the way at the bottom of my description box and will be from here on out because this kid is so adorable. Like, he wants to become a big time YouTuber and he is talented. Let me tell you, this kid can do a wing eyeliner like nobody's business, and we all know how I struggle with that, so I'm a little jealous because I mean, come on, can I have some of that talent? So if you would check out his YouTube channel, I think you will be impressed with his talent because he is quite talented, and yes, I really hope that he grows big, and I hope to see a lot of him on this platform because, I mean, he is so unbelievably talented. So yes, please go into my description box all the way at the bottom. It is the last YouTube link, and yeah, go check him out. Okay, so now, with that being said, if you enjoy beauty videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. And YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. I don't know why I'm so hyper. I think it's because I'm filming this on Christmas Eve and I'm just happy. Okay. Enough of craziness. Let's get doing this beautiful look using the Tati Beauty palette that, yes, I have gotten dirty. Alright, let's go. Okay. Hey guys, look, I got a wipe out because I remembered. Yay! Good job, Jack. Okay, so I already primed my eye, and today we are using the Tati Beauty palette to create very glamorous New Year's Eve look. Alright, so I'm very excited because if you haven't seen my first impression video, I will link it in the eye, and that will explain why I'm excited. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start off opening the palette. This palette is it likes to stay closed. Okay, I'm going to start off using the Matte Soothe shade, which is this shade right here. Let's start off using that as the transition shade. Yes. So, let's see. It is after Christmas now that you're watching this. It's actually Christmas Eve that I'm filming this. But I am pre-filming so I can enjoy the rest of this week with family. You know, as my husband took the rest of the week off because his parents are coming in for Christmas, and yeah, so I'm going to be spending some time with them. So yay. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to go in with the shade Ritual. I promise this is not the same look as the last video. I'm going to go in with Ritual in the crease. Yeah, this is not the same look, I promise. promise. You will see. You will see. These just happen to be the best shades to start with for most looks, actually. Oh yeah. I absolutely love this palette. You can do this same look with just about any palette. The only thing is going to be the glitter. The glitter is going to be the part that you might have trouble finding a similar shade for. My skin is like so not happy. All this redness and stuff. People wonder why I wear makeup. This is why. You may hear my son in the background. He is off of school for the holiday. Okay, now I'm going to go in. What brush do I want to use for this? I want to use one of these little e.l.f. crease brushes. Yes, and I'm going to go into the sequin shade in Memory, which is the black column. This sequin is the second from last right there. If any of you have this palette, let me know. What are your thoughts? Do you enjoy it? Okay, so this is going to be a crease shade as well. We are going to blend this really well into those browns. And the reason I'm using the sequin and not the matte is because the sequin is just a little easier to blend than that straight up matte. It's also a slightly lighter black shade. It's not as intense as the matte black, you know? You really want to work on blending this shade. And you can go back in with the brown as well, which I will do to help with the blending. First, I just want to lay down this black shade. And once you got that, how you like it, I'm going to go back in with that Ritual, add a little more and blend that on the edges of the black. I'm also going to go in with the transition brush, and I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to blend the edges. See how that just blends out? Love it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my finger to the metallic Memory shade, this one, and I'm going to put that on the lid. And oh yes, look at that, so pretty. You don't even need to wet it. I mean, it is intense enough. You really don't have to wet these. Oh man, this is so pretty. Okay, so we did that. Now I'm going to go in with another little brush, and I'm going to go into the matte Memory shade, which is the matte black at the bottom. And I'm going to use that in the outer corner. Deepen up that outer corner. Make it super duper smoky. And then I'm going to go into the crease again with the crease brush and just blend into that black. And then we're just gonna go through all the brushes to do all that beautiful blending. Ooh, love it. Okay. This is the last step because I'm not making that mistake again. I'm going to go in to the Glitter Memory shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lid to where we put that black. Don't go into the black, just up to the black. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, I mean, come on. Have you ever seen a glitter like that? And just tap it on. Oh, it gives me chills. It's so beautiful. I love this. Okay. Okay. Now we clean up any fallout you may have gotten. Clean up the edges. Alright, I'm not going to be putting on any liner because I don't feel like I need it, but I do need some mascara. I don't want to use that one. I think I'm going to use what's left of the Volumin Believe Beauty mascara. So I'm going to pop on some lashes. Okay, so put on the lashes. I actually did end up tight lining my upper waterline with the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar, which is black. So yeah, so now I'm going to finish my face, finish my hair, and we'll be back to smoke out the bottom lash line. So be right back. Ooh, poofy hair. As you can see, my hair and makeup is now done. So the only thing left to do is the bottom lash line, which we are going to do right now. Right now. Alright, Jackie, you're weird. Okay, if you can remember which brush you used for the crease, then grab that one. I'm gonna wipe this off because I'm not real sure if it was this one or not. Okay, and go into that sequin shade. Be very careful and just buff that along. The lash line. Make sure you connect it to the top and the other corners. The corner of my eyes gets very watery. Now we're going to go in with the Ritual color, that dark brown, and buff that out. And then we are going to use the Soothe shade and buff that out under. Basically creating the same gradient on the bottom as we did on the top. And then in the waterline, I'm going to use this long-lasting eyeliner by Believe Beauty. I'm going to put that in the waterline. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to use Lash Paradise. And on the inner corner, I'm going to go into the palette, grab a small brush, and I'm going to go into the metallic Aura shade, which is this pretty shade right there. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner and brow bone. Just to add a little bit of light and brightness, because this is quite the dark, smoky eye look. So we want to add just a hair of lightness. Lightness? I think that makes sense. I think you understand what I'm saying. I like that, and voila! That's the end of the look. That's it. We're done. Nice, smoky, glittery New Year's Eve eye look. I feel, I mean, you could put a red lip with it, but I kind of didn't want to take away from the eyes, so I went with a nude lip because that's my choice. That's what I chose. You can fire it up and put a bright red lip and it would be all hunky-dory. Yeah, hunky-dory. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope maybe if you don't have this palette, so you can't create this exact look, maybe it gave you an idea for a look that you can create with what you have at home. And yeah, if you liked it, hit that thumbs up. And I hope you will tune in for future videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day.